Our timeline begins in the late 1970s, an era where most computers were large, expensive, and reserved for businesses or universities. A prominent player that emerged during this period was Unix, an operating system developed by Bell Labs in 1978. Unix was groundbreaking because it allowed multiple users to access the system simultaneously, a feature that we now take for granted. As we move into the 1980s, a new era dawned with the advent of personal computing. This era was marked by the introduction of MS-DOS, an operating system developed by Microsoft for IBM's personal computers. MS-DOS was text-based, meaning users had to type commands to operate their computers, a far cry from the graphical interfaces we enjoy today. The mid-80s saw the emergence of Windows, another Microsoft product, which introduced a graphical user interface, making it easier for people to interact with their computers. This was a significant shift, as it made computing more accessible to the average person. Our journey takes us next to the 90s, a decade that witnessed the rise of the internet and the birth of a new operating system, Linux. Developed by Linus Torvalds, Linux was unique because it was open source, meaning anyone could modify and distribute it. This freedom sparked a wave of innovation, leading to the creation of many Linux-based operating systems like Ubuntu and Fedora. As we cross into the 21st century, we encounter the release of Mac OS X in 2001. This operating system marked a new direction for Apple, combining a sleek, user-friendly interface with the power and flexibility of Unix. Fast forward to the late 2000s, and we see the rise of mobile operating systems with the launch of iOS and Android. These systems, specifically designed for smartphones and tablets, have revolutionized the way we access information, communicate, and even entertain ourselves. Today, operating systems have become an integral part of our daily lives, powering everything from our personal computers and smartphones to servers and supercomputers. They've evolved from simple command line interfaces to complex systems that support a wide range of applications and services. So, there you have it. A brief journey through the evolution of operating systems. From Unix's multi-user capabilities in the 70s to the user-friendly interfaces of Windows and Mac OS, the open-source nature of Linux, and the rise of mobile operating systems, it's clear that these systems have come a long way. They've not only made technology more accessible, but also transformed the way we interact with the digital world. It's exciting to imagine what the next chapter in this evolution will bring.